Hello and good day, everyone. Andy here. Let's analyze another company in the EV sector, and namely BYD Build Your Dreams. As you know, direct competitor to Tesla. And what do you know? Look at here. The chart is pretty much same chart as the Tesla analysis, and this the Tesla chart that we analyzed a couple of days ago. Tomorrow, Tesla is reporting their earnings, so it's a very big day for Tesla. BYD has been having the same performance within the past, let's say, 3 to 4 years. Very same story, guys. We're running the same channel. We're consolidating towards 300, more or less 20, and the bottom has been 160 within the channel. On the long-term chart. On the short-term chart, if you look at it, guys, you are within a negative divergence and basically a negative MACD and stochastics. So that is showing very clearly that if you look at this trend here, it shows clearly that the company is on a downtrend basic performance. Now, that's as far as the chart is concerned, pretty much like Tesla. So we expect a basic further downtrend of the company. The question is, how low do we think the stock can go? Well, long term, my analysis is probably we're going to hold the 138 level very strongly. So I don't think that will be their immediate concern. However, if you just follow this trend, guys, we are landing somewhere around 170 to 75. That's where this support line is, and the chances that the company could stick with it within the support line and then build up in the future is very high. Do I see a big future performance for this company? For sure. If you analyze the fundamental analysis of the company, it's very interesting. The next earning is April 29th, guys. So in like 1 week from now. And if you compare their performance to Tesla, they've been underperforming Tesla. They are at 4% net profit margin, as you can see here, which is significantly lower than Tesla. However, if you look at their past earnings growth analysis, the company has outperformed the industry and the market within the past 5 years and the past 1 year earnings growth. So that is already a good news, basically, for the holders of BYD. The next significant point is their debt to equity history and analysis. As you can see, they have managed to control their debt rate very well. Equity value has gained dramatically, and they have reduced their debt. That is a big help if you compare them to Tesla, to the company. That shows you better free cash flow and better use of the cost of capital. However, a very important fact here to pay attention to is the Chinese economy's growth, guys. As you know, Chinese growth rate has been lagging dramatically. You can say post-corona. I mean, we had a big jump in GDP in China right after corona to 8.45%, which was not really consistent. We had a big drop in their GDP the next 2 years, and now, as you can see, slowing dramatically and continuously, which is not a good thing for the Chinese economy. As you know, when the companies such as BYD are performing within China and the Chinese industry, you will see further push as far as investment is concerned, and you will see less and less investors being attracted to them. The story is not that sad for the BYD investors. Chinese economy grew faster than expected in March. So this year, at least Chinese economy, the first quarter had a growth of 5.3%. So that is already maybe a good hope for the people who are invested in Chinese companies. As I always say, guys, you cannot really depend and trust Chinese companies, since they don't necessarily publish or tell you the whole truth behind their balance sheets. So my advice for those who are invested in Chinese stocks, be careful and take their numbers with a pinch of salt. You can always be surprised. We have great examples where they lie to the public. Companies such as Luckin Coffee, if you remember, they totally lied in their balance sheet. And so, therefore, I'm not saying that the company is not worth investing. You just need to be cautious. If I want to compare between BYD and Tesla, my choice would definitely be Tesla. All right, guys, hope that was helpful. Tomorrow is the big day for Tesla and next week for BYD. Let's see. Please comment below. What do you think is going to happen to their earnings, and which company do you personally invest in? Thank you and bye-bye.